So, welcome back, students. Where were we? We were completing this question. I have given you the task to complete these two questions within 10 minutes. So, you all have completed these questions. Here, some students are raising their hand. Here, Asya, Sheroz, Ramla. Only three students are raising their hand. Why? Why all other are not raising their hand? Yes, raise your hand quickly. Okay, raise your hand quickly, bete. Okay, so here I want Ramla is showing her work. Yes, Ramla, show me your work. Okay, here Sheroz is also sharing his work with me. That's great. They both have solved this question, and here Asya is also raising her hand. Asya, yes, Asya. Here I am going to unmute Asya first. Asya, what about question number one? What answer you get?
616 centimeter.
616. What about you, Ramla? What about you, Ramla?
Yes, 616 centimeter.
Very good. What about you, Nuseba?
666.
Shehroz?
Same 616.
Excellent,
616.
excellent. Now, what about question number two? Student, what about question number two?
88 centimeter.
88 centimeter. Yes, any other? Ramla, you have solved this question or not? Answer? Unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Yes, miss, 88 centimeter. I solved the question.
Okay. Yes, Abir, Fatma? Yes, Abir, your answers?
Miss 88 centimeter.
Very good. Did you find any difficulty while solving these questions?
No, miss, they are very easy.
They are easy, but I can't see your video. How can I check your work? So kindly open your video. So here my students have solved this question. Bete, the difference between these two questions is of formula 2 pi
88
r.
centimeter.
Yes, 2 pi r and pi d. In the first one we get 616, very good, and in the second one we get 88. Your answers are correct. Now bete, the next question, find the radius of the circle when the circumference is given. Let me explain you this question quickly. ठीक है, let me explain you this question. So student, here in this question, we have to find the radius and the circumference is given. First write down the circumference, circumference is given here. One second. Yes. In this question, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, students? Yes, can you see the screen now? Ali, I'm going to share the index in this session. Okay, in the first session, I was discussing the chapter 15 in detail with the student. So here, we have to find the radius when the circumference is given. It is of 44 centimeter, and the pi is a constant value for every question. So what is required? We have required is radius. Required is radius. Now bete, we know the formula. Abir, we know the formula. The formula is c is equals to 2 pi r. Now I want your attention. C is equals to 2 pi r. Now I want radius. I want to find the radius. But here 2 pi is multiplying over here. If I shift it over here, it will moves in the division and I get c over 2 pi. I get r is equals to c over 2 pi. Okay, so the formula is r is equals to c over 2 pi. That's it, that's simple. So solution contains r is equals to c means 44 upon 2 pi means 2 into 22 over 7. Now, bete, when I get here 44 2 into 22 over 7, this 7 is in the denominator of 22. Okay, okay, this 22 over 7 is written over there in the denominator. When I shift this 22 over 7 over here in the numerator, I get 7 over 22. Okay, here for example, let me write it by myself. It is written 44, right, over 2 into 22 over 7, right, 2 into 22 over 7. Two 22s are, two 22s are a student, two 22s are what we get, 44. Okay, 44 over 7, 44 over 7. When I shift this in the numerator, when I shift 44 over 7 in the numerator, I will get the reciprocal of it. I will get the reciprocal because here it is in division, it is 44 over 7. When it comes with the multiplication, it gives the reciprocal. So here I get 44 multiply with 7 over 44, 7 over 44. Bete 44 44 is cancel, we get the answer 7 centimeter. We get the answer 7 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, so I get 7 centimeter, right? So, bete, the important definitions are, Ali, you have joined the class very late. We have discussed the definition from page 182 and page 183 together. Thoroughly, we have discussed these definition. Yes, student, any question? Any question? Let's start the classwork together. Any question? Let me check your videos. By videos, yes. Any question? Yes, Sania's question is there. Yes, Sania. What's the question, bete?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस
Walaikum assalam. What's the question?
मिस वो जो आपने हमें 2 क्वेश्चंस 10 मिनट्स में करने वाले दिए थे ना वो वाली समझ नहीं आया
Okay. Okay.
वो वाला मतलब कि समझ नहीं आया
Okay.
बाकी सब क्लियर
Okay, I will explain it again. But before explaining this, I want you all to start today's classwork. Okay? During when you are simplifying this
ओके
question,
मिस
I will explain this question again. Okay. Now, any other question, student? Any
ओके
other?
मिस
Ramla, Sada, Iman. Yes, Sada. Everything is clear. Arib, Sumaya, Saad, Talha, Rida, Ramiz. Beta, turn on your camera. So, no question left. Okay, so let's start the classwork, bete. You have to do today question 15 point exercise 15.1, question 2 bit 1, question 5 bit 2 plus objective. Quickly note down these two questions and objective. Bete, keep your videos on. Please keep your videos on. This is not the way. Turn on your videos. What's the problem? Hamza, Kashif, Arib, Romesa, Ali, Sumaya, Jaikumar, Aisha, but why you are turning off your videos? This is question 2 bit 1, question 5 bit 2. Okay, now question 2 bit 1. Now the competition is going to be started between you all. Now let me check who is going to solve this question first. You have to complete it first in your loose sheet and then raise your hand. Okay, then you have to show your work to everyone, to all of us. I'm waiting for your response. Here, after completing this question, first put your hands down, everybody, Asya, Nusaiba, Sania, so that मुझे पता चले कि who is going to solve the question first. Okay? Okay, now I'm waiting for your answer. Question number 2, bit number 1. Question number 2, bit number 1. Okay, question number 2, bit number 1. Someone is raising her hand. Let me check who's raising it. Sumaya, very good. Sumaya, have you completed this question?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Deserve claps. तालियां होनी चाहिए भाई सुमैया के लिए. That's great, Sumaya. Excellent, Sumaya. Can you show me your work? Sumaya? Yes. Show me your work. Better start your video so that I can check your work quickly, Sumaya. Now, students, let's check out that solution is correct or not. So, from 7A, B, G, here the student of 7B, girl of 7B, she has solved this question first. Sumaya, show me the question, bete. I'm waiting for your response. If you will not show your work, that means I will give the chance to another student. So, okay, Asya is raising her hand. Okay, Asya. Done?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Asya, can you show me your work?
Yes, miss.
So that means, okay, first, okay, Asya's copies is on the screen. Student from 7A. Very good. Very, very good. Excellent. Here, Sanya, I am going to explain this question to you. This is the perfect solution given by Asya. Okay. So, Sanya, look at this question. Radius and pi. This is given to you. Okay. Radius and pi is given. Circumference we have to find. So, circumference formula is 2 pi r. Sanya, circumference formula is 2 pi r. Right? So, 2 pi value is 22/7 and radius is 56. So, bete 7 ones are 7. Sanya, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Sanya,
Yes.
Sanya, 7 ones are 7,
Yep.
7 eights are 56. Can you see the solution on the screen?
Yes, miss.
Now, bete, 22 twos are 44, and when we multiply 44 with 8, it gives you 352 centimeter. This question is clear or not?
Yes, miss. It's clear now. Thank you.
That's great. That's great. So here, I really appreciate Asya. She has given us solution number 1 of the given question. Now, students, you can raise your hand to show me the next question. So here, who is raising hand? Here, all the girls are raising their hand. All the girls are there. All the girls. Asya, Sumaya, Ramla, Aisha, all the girls are there. My champions. No boys there. Okay, Sharoz is there. Okay. So here, uh, Sumaya, Asya, Ramla, all they are raising their hands. Let me check out the work. So here, uh, Sumaya, now can you please show me your work? Unmute yourself, Sumaya. What is the answer of question number 2? Here Aisha is sharing the video. Here Ramla is sharing her video. Yes, Asya. Sorry, here Ramla. Ramla, quickly show me your work. It's not visible. It's not visible. Yes, 352. Very good. Show me the next question.
Teacher,
Very good. Yes, Sumaya, ready?
10.5 centimeter answer है teacher.
1 second. Sumaya, show. Bit start your video na. I want to check it
Teacher,
out. Any problem?
teacher वो blur हो रही है.
Blur हो रही है. अच्छा, all right. It doesn't matter. Show me your work. It doesn't matter. If it is blur, it's okay. Aisha, turn on your video so that I can share your work also. Aisha Hassan. Okay. So who is raising? Here's Sada Zainab. Aisha. Very good. Okay. Aisha's copies is on the screen. Aisha, very clear, very neat and clean work is there. Really very, very good. Very good. We get C is equals to 352. Student, you can check out the work. 352. Next question, Aisha. Aisha, perfect. Bete, next question. Aisha, quickly, bete. Next question, Aisha. Can you hear me, Aisha? Next question. Areeb, show me your work, bete. I know you all are having cameras, but you are not turning on your videos. That's not fair. Start your videos right now. Okay, Sania's copy is there. Sania. Okay, 352. Very good. But no one is sharing question number 5 with me. No one is sharing. Here, Rumesa is there. Let's check out Rumesa is sharing or not. Rumesa Abed. Very good, Rumesa. This is question number 2. I want you to share now question number 5. Question number 5. No one is sharing question 5 with me. Now let's check out. First question was answer given by first by Asia. Okay. Now let's check out who's going to give me the answer of question number 5 first. Quickly, quickly. Abir, where are you? Abir, you are not raising your hand even. Jay Kumar, turn on your video, bete. Turn on your video quickly. Ali, Rida, Talha, Saad, Hamza, quickly turn on your video. Iman, have you solved this question? Waiting for your answers, bete. Sheroz, done. Ramiz, Ramiz, unmute yourself. Yes, Ramiz, unmute yourself. Ramiz, Muhammad Ali, unmute yourself right now.
Yes, miss.
Bete, you are not sharing your video with me. Any problem?
Miss, I'm sharing in 2 minutes.
Okay, have you solved this question?
I am on question 5.
Okay, quickly complete it and share your video. Share your video right now. It doesn't
Okay,
matter you are
miss.
solving the question, just share your video. I want to check it out whether that what are you doing. If you are having any problem, I can check it out by myself. ठीक है ना? Don't worry, share your video. Yes, where is Ramiz? Ramiz, I want you to turn on your video. Jay Kumar, unmute yourself, Jay Kumar.
Yes, miss, my answer was wrong.
Your answer was wrong. Bete, share your video. It doesn't matter your answer is wrong or correct. I want the solution. That's it. Okay, it's very good that you are solving the question. It doesn't matter your answer is wrong. ठीक है? मिस्टेक से ही सीखते हैं ना? नहीं? Show me your work quickly. Now everybody, show me your work. Everybody. Sheroz is there. Okay. Here Sheroz and Asia both are sharing their work. Okay. So this is the next question, Sheroz. 56. Little bit upward. Upward, upward. I can't see the solution. Sheroz, I can't see the solution. Okay, this is the bit number 1. This is bit number question 2 bit 1, right? Turn the page and show me the question number 5. Show me question number 5. That's very good. Yes, Abir, you are raising your hand. Unmute yourself quickly.
Miss, the answer of question number 5 is 10.5 centimeter.
10.5 centimeter. Can you share your video? Okay, so here Sheroz is solving the question. Here the answer given by Sumaya and Abir, but they are not sharing their videos. Here I want student to give me the answer by sharing their videos with me. Yes, Sumaya, please share your video. Bete, it doesn't mean that it's blur. I want the video.
मैंने ऑन की हुई है.
अच्छा, on की हुई है. 1 second. Okay, bete. Yes, Sumaya.
Teacher, but it's like that.
It's like that. I can't see. बेटे कल तक तो आपका कैमरा ठीक था. What happened today?
Yes, miss. I don't know.
Try to fix it up.
Yes, miss.
Beta, how we get the answer 10.5? By dividing what? Can you verbally tell me? Can you verbally tell me? No. That means you are facing problem in solving question 5 bit 2. Am I right? Right? Beta, this is not the question which I have given to you. I have given you question 5 bit 2. Your solution is correct, Aisha, but you have copied the wrong question. Okay, I have given you the question here. One second. I have given you the question here. This. ठीक है. Question 2 bit number 1 you have solved it correctly. The answer is 352. And question 5 bit 2 is there on the screen. Now everybody look at this question. Bete, first what we have to do, I am explaining this question. ठीक है. You all are having the problem in solving it, so I am solving this question for you. Bete, first of all we have to write given. What is given? Write down c is equals to 66, pi is equals to 22 over 7, radius is equals to r, right? And formula is 2 pi r, or for example if we have to find the radius we get c over 2 pi. ठीक. So in the solution what we are going to do, now look at the screen everybody, look at the screen. Bete, r is equal to c is equals to what? 66. Okay, r is equals to 66 over 2, and what is the value of pi? Look at the screen, 22 over 7. 22 over 7. Am I right, Ramla? Any confusion? Sania, any confusion? Sania. ठीक. Acha, next here Iman is there. Iman, have you solved this question? Very good, Iman. You have solved this question. Very good. Now, bete, what we have to do, bete? 22 twos are, we get 44. ठीक. 22 twos are, we get 44 over 7, and this 44 over 7 is written in the denominator. This is dividing with 60. This is very important step. Now listen to me, this 44 over 7 is dividing over here. When it will moves in the multiplication, we get the reciprocal of it. That means 66 multiply with 7 over 44. Okay, step number 1, just put the values. Step number 2, 22s are 44 over 7. Then when it is in the denominator, this is dividing with 66. Okay, when we move in the multiplication, when it moves in the multiplication, we get the reciprocal of it. Now 11 fours are 44, 11 6 are 66. 11 fours are students. Is it clear or not? Sada, is it clear? Sheroz, are you okay? Is it clear now? Acha. Now 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Arib, is it clear? Is it clear? So we get 3 over 2, right? We cannot cancel it further, so 3 sevens are 21. We get 3 sevens are 21 over 2. Look at the screen, bete. 3 sevens are 21 over 2. Okay, I'm erasing all these simplification. So we get what? We get 21 over 2. Okay, 21 over 2 can be solved like this. Look at the simplification. 2 ones are 2. What left? 1 left. Now when 1, we know that it is smaller than 2, then what we have to do, we have to put the 0 over here, right? And then the decimal. So by putting here 0 and decimal, we get 0 over here, and we get 2 and 2 5. 2 5s are 10. We get 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 cancel. So we get 2 10.5s are 21. We get the answer 10.5. The correct answer given by two girls, but they have not shown me their simplification. So we get the answer 10.5 centimeters. That's it. 10.5 centimeter. Is it clear? Next is objectives. Quickly, we are going to start the objectives. So students, ready for the objectives? Now I want you all to quickly copy down these objectives, and I want one by one students, I'm going to unmute you and I will take the answers from you. Okay? I'm going to take the answers from you. Objectives are given to you. Choose the correct answers. Acha, before starting the objective, bete, I have given you the worksheet, the revision worksheet in the form of Google form, in the form of quiz. Why you all are not attempted it? Why you are not attempting it? I want you all to attempt these questions, and please, if you are having any difficulty, just ask me. Okay? Just first practice the questions which we have done in last 2 weeks, and then attempt the revision worksheet in the form of Google form. Okay, I have given you just, I think on Wednesday I have given you the worksheet. Kindly attempt it. Okay, so here Nuseba, Nuseba, unmute yourself, bete. Nuseba, dash is equal to twice of the radius. Diameter, are you sure? Yes, Nuseba, are you sure?
Yes, miss.
Very good. The diameter is equal to half of the radius. That means answer number 1 is correct. Okay, answer number 1 is correct. Yani option A is correct, diameter. Now here Hamza Kashif is there. Hamza, start your video right now. Talha. Okay, Sada Zainab. Okay, Sada Zainab, bete, unmute yourself, bete. Bete, a line segment. Sada, unmute yourself, bete. Where are you? Sada Zainab? Yes. Sada, a line segment joining the center of the circle to any point is called a dash.
Radial segment.
Very good, Sada. Radial segment. The measure of the circular path of the circle. The measure of the radial path of the circle. Yes, Arib. Okay, Saat Khurram. Bete, Saat Khurram, the measure of the circular path of the circle. Quickly, bete. We don't have that much time. Please, be quick. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Rumesa Abid, Saad Khurram, unmute yourself, bete, and give me the answer. Okay, Jaykumar, give me the answer, bete. Jaykumar.
Miss, circumference.
The measure of the circular path of the circle is called circumference. Very good. Very good. Now, Iman, next question
Yes,
is for you. The line segment joining any two point of the circle is called what?
Chord.
Any 2 point of the circle. Are you sure?
Yes, miss.
And if I say that the chord containing center of the circle, then what about this?
Chord containing the center of the circle.
Hmm?
It's called a circle.
The chord containing center of the circle. If I ask you this question, then Very good, Iman, very good. So the answer is here the chord. A line segment that joining any 2 point of the circle is called chord. So the next question, I am giving this question to Ali. Ali, Ali, circle is
Yes,
a
miss.
set of point equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is called what?
Center of the circle.
Center of the circle. Yes, Ramesh. Next question. Very good, Ali. Ramesh, unmute yourself. You're raising your hand. Please unmute yourself. The subset of the circle is called what?
Miss, a semicircle.
What? A subset of the circle.
Oh, sorry, Miss, an arc.
The subset of the circle is called an arc. Acha, can I ask one more question?
Yes.
What is the value of pi?
Miss, 22/7.
Okay. If I can I ask one more question?
Yes, miss.
Okay. What is the difference between chord and the diameter?
Miss, the difference between the chord and the diameter is that the diameter is a chord which contains the center of a circle.
Very good. Very good. And what about chord?
Miss, chord don't contain the center of the circle.
Okay.
It's from the center to the end of the circumference.
Chord? Uh, no, we can't say that
Miss, a
chord
chord.
cannot contain the center of the circle because diameter is also a chord. Okay, we can define
Yeah.
the chord in a way that the line segment that joining any 2 point of the circle. ठीक है, Ramesh?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Ramesh, turn on your video and show me your work. Ramesh, turn on your video and show me your work. You all have completed these objectives, bete? These 6 objectives.
Miss,
Yes.
no.
Yes, Ramesh, turn on your video.
मिस मिस मैंने काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया अभी.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Just show me your work. जहाँ तक भी किया है, it doesn't matter. You can show me your work. Everybody, turn on your cameras quickly. Okay. So here we have completed these objectives. Alhamdulillah, we have completed this chapter number 15 together. Okay. So kindly complete these objectives. Yes, Aisha. Aisha Hassan. Bete, have you completed these objectives?
Yes,
or
miss.
or completing it right now?
Miss 5 कर लिए 6 करूँगी.
Okay. Aisha, is there any question related to today's work?
Miss question number 5 का bit number 1 था या 2 था?
बेटे bit number 2 था.
Miss मैंने 1 कर दिया.
2 भी कर लीजिए. It doesn't matter. These questions are just for practice. Okay.
Yes.
Attempt both the question. Shabash. Okay, so we have completed these questions. Okay. So I think everything is clear. Now I'm going to allow you to chat with me kindly. If you are having any problem, just ask me through the chat box. Okay. So here my students are there on the screen. I can see all the students are sitting over there. Now, completed? Ramla, have you completed it? Today you all have to attempt the worksheet which I have given to you, Ramla. Okay, very good, Ramla. All the objectives are done by you. Now I want you all to turn on your cameras and I am going to ask some question. Okay. Question number 1. ठीक है? Question number 1. A figure bounded by 4 sides is called a dash. A figure bounded by 4. Raise your hand. Raise your hand so that I can unmute yourself. Yes, Iman. Are you raising your hand? No? Okay, Sumaya, quickly unmute yourself, bete. Okay, Sheroz.
Yes, miss.
Yes, bete, a figure bounded by four sides is called a dash. Quickly give me the answer.
Quadrilateral.
It's called a quadrilateral. Very good. Acha, now next question, next question. Ali, Ali, this question is for you. Ali, unmute yourself, bete. Unmute yourself. Bete, true, false. Okay, true, false. A rectangle is a parallelogram. Is it true or false? A rectangle is a parallelogram. Is it true or false?
True.
Very good. Very good. Shabash. So, next question is for Sheroz. Sheroz, unmute yourself. Bete. Jaldi, jaldi. Sheroz, all the sides of the square are dash.
It's perpendicular.
All the sides of the square are dash.
It's
All the
congruent.
very good.
It's
All
congruent.
the very good. Shabash. Now the next question is for Iman. Iman, unmute yourself, bete. Iman,
Yes, sir.
yes, Iman. Bete, in dash triangle, all the sides are equal.
In dash triangles, all the sides are equal. It's equilateral triangle.
Perfect. Shabash. Now the next question is for Sanya. Sanya, each angle in equilateral triangle is of dash degree.
60.
Perfect.
Miss,
So,
miss, I have a question.
yes, quickly bete.
मिस मुझे बोलना था कि मिस मैंने रिफोर्समेंट वर्कशीट फॉर्म फिल कर दिया, मेरे 15 में से 10 आया है। अब वो मिस वो वापस खुल गई तो मेरा आपके पास रिकॉर्डेड मार्क्स हो गए?
Bete, you can attempt it more than one time. Okay, this worksheet is given for your practice. If you have done wrong, you can attempt it one more time. Okay.
ओके मिस, ओके मिस,
Okay.
थैंk you.
Yes, Aisha Hassan, next question for you. Aisha Hassan. Aisha, true, false, bete, true, false. The diagonals of the Aisha, are you listening to me? Aisha,
Yes, miss.
Aisha, the diagonals of rectangles are perpendicular. True, false.
Yes, miss. True.
The diagonals of the rectangles are not perpendicular. The diagonals किसके perpendicular होते हैं?
Bisect.
Diagonals किसके perpendicular होते हैं?
Square के.
जी, square
हाँ.
case. ठीक है. So I hope that you have enjoyed this way of learning with me. So thank you so much. Inshallah, in my next class I will take the test again in this way. Okay, you have to turn on your video and you have to share your answer. Excellent, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. See you. Take care of yourself and keep remember me in your dua. Okay, Allah Hafiz.